Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I am bringing you a tutorial on how I achieved this illusion crochet spring twist protective style. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. While I prep the hair, I decided to do a deep conditioning treatment. This hair was sent to me by Soraya Hair on Amazon. It comes with 4 bundles in a pack. So it doesn't come pre-twisted. What you have to do is take each strand and separate it, or sort of like fluff it out a bit, and then twist in a clockwise direction, left over right. And a simple twist, you don't need to turn while twisting or anything like you do for Senegalese twist. The strands pretty much fall within the grooves of each other and give you that perfect springy looking twist that I was going for. And when you release, you get that nice boingy, springy twist. I'll twist the rest of the hair off camera. This is what it looks like once you've completed twisting all the hair. And I left some strands untwisted, and these are to be used for the individual row at the front. After I deep conditioned my hair, I put some leave-in, and now I'm putting some castor oil in. Here I'm sectioning off that front row, and I'm going to twist it away and come back to that at the end after I've completed the back. Next, I sectioned off the sides and the back, and this is to separate it from the rest of the crochet so that I can have a sort of an individual look in the entire perimeter of the hair. But it's gonna be different to the front row though. Here I'm using some rubber bands to do the individual twists. I'm doing the same thing all around the perimeter on the other side. I oiled the rubber bands to make them a bit more safe. This is what they look like once I've completed them. You can choose to do more or less depending on your liking, but this was enough for me. Now I'm going to complete the braid pattern, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to feed in those individual twists that I just created. I am going to do the exact same thing on the other side. I am feeding in that twist. Be sure to feed them in really tightly so that they are secure and they don't get too loose during the wear of the style. Here I'm just quickly oiling my scalp. When you complete the braid pattern, you're going to end up with that one plait, and I'm simply crocheting it away into the other corners, making sure it's nice and tight and secure. So you are going to place the hook downwards, since we expect to pull this hair upward. That helps to give it a more of a natural look. When I say natural, I mean like an individual look, as though the hair was individually twisted all the way around. I'm slowing down how I do this one in the back. I place the hook downwards through the braid. Then I'm attaching the loop onto the hook, closing the latch and pulling it through. Then I'm carrying the loop further down the hook and attaching the end of the hair into the hook, closing the latch and pulling it through, tightening and securing. And when I pull it up, it looks like an individual twist. So I did the rest of the back off camera, and now we're returning to that front section. I estimate usually about 10 braids to the front, 5 on either side. And I'm using my edge control to create a precise pattern for these twists in the front row. And I'm going to use a rubber band to secure this hair because my twisting skills aren't that hot. They are not. But if you can twist, then you can skip the rubber band step. Similarly to how we prep the hair for the back, you fluff the twist out, the strands out, separate the strands a bit, and you put it into the rubber band and make sure that the ends are the same length, and then you twist all the way down in a clockwise direction. And you don't need to twist while you're twisting. Just do a simple twist like the ones we started out learning as kids. Now I'm going to show you again how I did that individual twist. And the reason why I chose to do the front like this as opposed to how I did the sides and the back is because in about 2 or 3 weeks of wearing this style, I am going to go back in and take the front row down and redo it so that I can get a longer wear out of the style as a whole. Don't forget to fluff the strands out. This gives the twist a more fluffy and springier look. And there we have it, the completed look. You can tell that I'm definitely feeling it. The color, the length, everything is awesome. This is the back. And I'm going to show you how when you pull it up, it looks like a row of individuals in the back as well. That's it for now, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye. See you in the next.